Yeah, I guess I start somewhere else.
So Corinne booked a wet plate workshop, and a little bit later I got this message here. Let me show you.
Hi Marcus, I am wondering if, as part of the wet plate course that we're doing, could we build a camera from scratch?
I think this is quite interesting, so let's make a story about that and let me show you how I build a camera, I guess. Every responsible wet plate photographer would start to look for camera parts in a DIY market, right? First I need a camera body. Something to stabilize the lens and to hold the camera. I need also something to mount the lens on the body of the camera. This looks good. What do you think? I kept on searching and find something for the lens support and to mount the camera on. Now it's time to prepare the items I bought for the workshop. And here the lens package arrived. This is a 150mm Leitz Hector 2.5, the king of projection lenses. The seller also had a mint Canon EOS 50E. I could not resist. Let me know if I should do a dedicated video about this camera that has an eye-controlled autofocus. And that is the missing box of one of my most favorite TV shows. Sorry for the off-topic guys. The camera came also with the original manual. How cool is that? One seller, 3 items I was looking for. It's like a jackpot, right? To use a plate holder on my camera body, I needed to design and 3D print a large format camera bag. I designed it in the Morphe app, prepared the print in Idea Maker and printed it for many hours on my artillery Sidewinder X2. The National 4x5 film holder fits perfectly into my designed camera bag. Now I had to modify the film holder for the wet plate process. The first step was to water jet cut the film holders. That is a freaking awesome machine, I could watch it all day long. Now I prepared the plate holder for the silver wires that will carry the plate. Corinne started with the plate holders, where she glued the silver wires in place. And then she built a ground glass from scratch. And this is how the finished plate holder looks like with the ground glass in place. Of course, we also had to do some woodworking. Here you can see how Corinne is preparing the lens mount. And there it is, the lens fits in perfectly. at the end, Corinne is painting the inside of the camera black.
This is blowing my mind. That's actually blown my mind.
And here is our finished beauty, the Frankenstein wet plate camera. Workshop day. Let's see what Frankenstein can do. More portraits from different cameras.
This was so much fun, guys, and now you know who to contact if you want to build a camera or capture a ghost, or you want to attend a normal wet plate workshop. I'll do the workshops also in English and German, by the way. And thanks a lot to my patrons for supporting me. I really appreciate it a lot. And if you want to get more insights, you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. And as always, guys, I'll be back, guys.